Hi, welcome to my 27th lecture on classification of continuous time systems. Now we are talking about system, not signals. Okay. So what is system? System. This is a system. It is a one kind of circuit. For this circuit, we are giving some input. So what is the output we are getting? Clear? So we are talking about the system. Signals are over, right? Now we are talking about systems. Now we have a 6 types of systems: static and dynamic systems, causal and non-causal systems, time invariant and time variant system. It is very important one. Linear and non-linear system. This is also very important. Invertible and non-invertible systems, stable and unstable systems. Let us start with static and dynamic systems. Coming to first one, static, also we call memoryless, and dynamic, also called memory systems. Static or memoryless systems, output of the system depends only on present value of input. Dynamic or memory system, output of the system depends on past or future value of the input at any instant of time. Let us see example 1. Y of t equal to phi x of t. So what does it mean, this one? We have one system. For this system, I have given input x of t. I got output is phi x of t. Means what it is doing? The system is multiplying with phi. So this is static or dynamic system, this one. So here what we say, static or dynamic means, static means output of the system depends only on present value of the input. Dynamic system means output of the system depends on past or future value of the input. See here, t equal to 1, y of 1, phi x of 1. At t equal to 3, y of 3, phi x of 3, right? So output is depending on present input only, right? Both are matching, right? Same instant of time is depending. So it is a static. Let us see example 2. Y of t, phi x of t minus phi. At t equal to 1 second I will take. Y of 1 equal to phi x of 1 minus phi is minus 4. See, here output is, I want at 1 second, it required input of minus 4 seconds. Got it? So it need to remember the system, right? Memory it required, right? Suppose at t equal to 7 seconds, y of 7, phi x of 7 minus phi is 2, right? See here, suppose here x of 7 I have given to system. I need y of 7. What it is doing? It is shifting x of t minus phi and multiplying with phi, right? Phi x of 7 minus phi is 2, right? X of 2 means it need past input, right? So it is a memory system. It need to match the time. Both input and output timing should be same. If it is different, either it is depending on future or past. Clear? Y of t equal to x of 2t. So this one is, see, at t equal to 1, y of 1, x of 2, right? Not matching. It should be same. So it is different. So there is a dynamic system. This is also dynamic. Let us go for example 4. Y of t equal to e power of minus t x of t. See here, at t equal to 1, y of 1, e power of minus 1 x of 1. At t equal to 2, y of 2, e power of minus 2 x of 2. So it is a constant only. Don't observe this one. Output should depends on only present value of the input, right? Definition. So output of at 2 seconds, it depending on 2 seconds of the input only. Same input, right? Here at 1 second, here it is depending on at 1 second only. Clear? So it is a static system. Suppose y of t minus 1 equal to 10x of t. Here t equal to 1, y of 0, 10x of 1, right? Still output is depending on other value of the input, right? So it is a dynamic system. Y of t equal to minus infinity to t x of tau d tau. So it is static or dynamic. So here x of tau is a signal, like with respect to tau, if you take x of tau. So we are covering minus infinity to up to t, right? So this complete area we are covering. Here at t equal to 1, y of 1 minus infinity to 1 second x of tau d tau minus infinity to up to 1 second. So it is depending on all past values, right? Up to 1 second it is depending on. So dynamic system. Suppose y of t x of some cos t at t equal to 0, y of 0, x of cos 0 is 1, right? Is it matching? No, right? At t equal to pi by 2 if I take, because it is, we have a cos term, right? So y of pi by 2, here it is 0, right? So still there is no matching time, right? So this is a dynamic system. For example, 8 if you see, y of t e power of minus 2x of t at t equal to 1, y of 1 e power of minus 2 of 1. Sorry, output is depending on present value of the input. So this system is static. Y of t equal to d by dt of x of t. So if you observe this one, we may feel that it is static, but it's not static, it's dynamic, because if you go deeply, it has an equation x of t plus del of t minus x of t by del t, right? Limit del t stands to 0, right? This is the definition of derivative. So here t, it is depending on small amount of different amount, right? So this is a dynamic system. Because here t, this is also t we have it outside. This is affecting this input. Clear? Otherwise, one more definition is this is slope, right? Suppose x of t, if you take, for finding slope, at least you require 2 points, p1, p2. Without depending on 2 points, you cannot find the slope, right? Suppose you are here, at least you require a past point or future point. Then only you can decide the slope, right? So definitely it will depend on 2 points. So y of t equal to odd of x of t. X of t odd means what we can write? X of t minus x of minus t by 2, right? So this is a relation, right? At t equal to 1, y of 1, x of 1 minus x of minus 1 by 2. So it is depending on here, past value, right? So system is dynamic. Thank you.